Hi, I'm Adam with South Plains Implement, and we're going to do another edition of Cut Clips today. Today, I'd like to talk to you about our home maintenance kits that we have available at all our locations. Now, these are available for riding mowers, zero-turn mowers, John Deere utility vehicles, and they're a really handy kit to have and makes it so you don't have to gather up different parts and pieces from different places, and it's all in one place. Pick up a kit and you're ready to service your machine. I'm going to go through, open this up right quick and show you what all's in this kit. Now, in all these kits, we have an oil filter, specific for your machine, of course. We have a fuel filter for it. Got an air filter. Always good to change those as well as we have oil in this kit. All that you'll need, specific for your machine. If it takes more oil, it'll come in the kit. Also, another often overlooked item with maintenance, spark plugs. And it's even got a little handy sticker that you can write down the date and hours that you did the service so you can keep track of it easier. We are having a filter and oil special for the month of February, and this includes home maintenance kits. So come into any one of our locations and ask about it, and they can get you fixed up. Thanks, and have a good day.